Hi guys, I am Ankesh. When we have set up all the things, so we have installed Git, we have installed Maven and Jenkins in the first server, and which we can see over here, our Jenkins is already up and running. The second server, we have already installed JFrog, which I have already displayed that our Artifactory server is up and running. The third comes to the Apache Tomcat server, which I have already installed because I have shown you Tomcat installation in the first server, which is Jenkins server. So this is my Jenkins box, the first build box with the black color background. The blue one will be a Artifactory box, and the third one will be a Tomcat deployment box, the green one. Okay. Now coming to the Jenkins configuration, we have to configure Jenkins to run our Maven build because this is the repository which I was talking about. This is game of life, and we are going to execute this project now. This is the Java project, and to build Java, we are going to use Maven. So coming quickly to the setup, Jenkins setup for building a Maven job. So the first thing first is we have to install some plugins in Jenkins. So for that, I'm going to use Manage Jenkins. And then Manage Plugins. Then I am going to give our available. Since we are using Bitbucket, I'm going to install a Bitbucket plugin. Which is here. And then we are going to use Maven for building. So I'm going to use Maven plugin. That is Maven info plugin. And then I'm going to keep install without restart, which will install the plugins without restarting my server. Yeah. And once this is successfully done, we will go and set our Maven path in Jenkins. We have to go again in Manage Jenkins, Configure Tool Configurations, Global Tool Configurations. And then to check what is my Maven path, I will go to our first box. Okay. Echo $M2 underscore home, which we have set as user share Maven. And then I will come down to Maven installation. We are going to uncheck this because Maven is already installed in the build box. Maven. And Maven home is user share Maven. Just save it. Yeah. So first thing first is we are going to use Bitbucket, which plugin is already installed. The second thing is we are going to use Maven to build, and we have just set Maven path with Maven plugin installed. Thanks for watching the video. If you really like the video, hit a like button. If you have any queries, comment down below, or you can send me an email also. I have given the email link in the description. And please subscribe the channel. Thank you.